Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. If you're new to this, what we do is we take a random game and we play without adding in it. If you like this sort of thing, there's a playlist on this channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire with games just like today's. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's a playlist on this channel titled Solitaire Tips. Best two videos, in my opinion, are right here. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the game. There's a record percentage-wise anyway. Okay, first thing I like to do is make any moves in the columns that I can. I also like to open up spots for the king. There's only one move here. I'm not sure that I want to make that move, so we're going to leave this card here for now. We'll see how this plays out. I think we're probably going to have to. This is an interesting dynamic. The first card is a king. I like to typically hold that for insurance, but there's also a king right here, so I don't know which way I'm going to go yet. I would like to find another move, potentially, so we'll see how this goes. Was it a black knight? There was a black knight, I believe, right? It was a black knight. So maybe we'll just play this and see how this goes. We need to find a move here. Nothing yet. There is this 4. We might do that. I think that's going to be our option here. So, going to move the 4. Going to move the 5 there, and I think I will move this 3. I don't know if that 3 is a great move. So we got 2 moves here, and we're going to see how this plays out here. So the king is the first. There's a 6. Just trying to memorize the cards here. Okay. Going to move this 4 here. We're going to move this 3 here. Now this 4 is good. See, this is where the dilemma comes in. We move this 2 from here. There's a 2 that could go right here. But if we move this 2 right here, we can't move this 9 over here. The 9 gives us a queen, which is kind of a not good situation for us because we don't know we can make a move. Well, we can make a move though because we have this jack. But if this is a dead end, I'm inclined to go back, put this 2 here, and then play this 2 in place of it. But I don't know if that's going to be the case. Let's see, we'll put the 10 there. We can move this 5. We haven't opened up a column. We need to figure out a way to open up a column. Oh, now we can move the 2. So that is a moot point. The whole talk about the 2 is a moot point at this point now. 2 of spades we can play. But again, we moved some stuff around. We're not able to get exactly where we want. And I think, yeah, this jack is, go back a couple moves here. Yeah, I don't think there's another way to do. I was trying to see if there's another way to take this jack and put it in place of that jack. But I don't even know that that's possible. Or is it? No, it's not possible because we played that right there. So that's not a possible option. I wanted it to be, but it's not. So we'll see if we can find a different route. So no move there, no move there. A red jack, can't play that. Can't play the 10. Can't play the 9 or the 8. There are no more moves here, I think. So nothing there. We have to figure out if there's a way to do something differently here. So we're going to go back a little bit and see if there's another move here. We can't swap out the 6. That's not happening. We can't do anything with the king, unfortunately. We'd like to be able to do some with the king. The only thing I really see is... The only move I see, there's only one move I really see, is maybe if we could figure out a way to put this 3 of spades in place of the 3 of clubs. I don't even know if that's possible. But if it is, there may be a chance to save this game because there's no other So we gotta go way back. The three clubs has to be... okay. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a feasible move then. Let's see if we could do it that way though. So 9 goes there, queen goes there. Play the jack, obviously. So 5 goes there. Okay. So we're going to play this 3 of spades instead of the 3 clubs. Oops. And let's see if that leads us anywhere. That gives us an open slot. We're not going to play it yet. We're going to see if we can squeeze in one more move. So we could play the 6 of diamonds. So one option is we could play a 6 here, or we could play a 6 of diamonds. I don't even know which is the better move, but you got 2 aces there. So I'm inclined to actually play this 6 right here, and then see if we can work something out. Because of the 2 aces, and we can move the rest of the stuff in this draw pile around. So let's see if that route works. It's probably not the first choice, but we're going to try it here. So 9 there. We'll move both 8s next time around, and maybe we'll dig our way out of here. So there's an 8 there, 7 there. Okay, we can move this 3 now. We'll move this 2 and this 2 here. That gets us a jack we can't do anything with, unfortunately. We will be able to play this 8, I believe. And this 7 as well. That'll allow us to move the 6 in here, I think. Yeah, let's see how this goes here. Yeah, because we still have this ace we can move. And the other ace. So we should be able to get to that. So 8. And then at the very end, we'll be able to play the 7. Yep, we play the 7 there and then the 6. So now we have a choice between moving this king, queen, or moving this king. If this leads to an open column, we'll take that, which it doesn't. So this is probably going to be the king of choice here. Let's see what other moves there are. So ace right there, and then there'll be another ace we'll play in a minute. We can also play this 5, I think, next time around, so let's go back to the 5. Now, I'm playing conservative here, as you might notice. I'm trying to slowly work my way out of the back of the draw pile. And the reason I'm doing that is I'm just trying to maximize the number of moves that we can make. So here's another dilemma here. Do we play that jack or not? I don't know yet. Okay, this is good. We got a king uncovered. So we're making some progress here. And they're... So I'm almost inclined to play this jack, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. We'll see how this plays out. I'm kind of inclined to play that jack, but again, this was a dead end, right? This was a dead end there. So maybe this jack is a better play, because then we get an extra move or two. Yeah, I don't know. And the other thing you have to keep in mind is, like, if you have 2 cards, if there's a king in the front, you're going to want to play that king usually first. The reason why is that allows you to make a bunch more moves in this draw pile here. So we're moving that king. We don't know exactly what else we're doing here. Okay, that's good. Ace, that's a good card for us. Another good card, an ace. That's real good for us. All right, I'm going to slowly bring up a few cards here. I don't know if I want to bring that one up yet. Oops, put that back here. The reason why, you got to be careful of moving the cards early in the draw pile. The reason why is this queen will show up next time. Well, actually, we could play the 6 and then the queen, so we can play the 2. We're not going to play the 4 yet, though. And the reason we're doing that is because we would like to see these cards get played. The 6, especially this queen. So we're going to go through again. Oh, now we can play this 3, though. So it's getting better for us. We're moving a bunch of cards up. We're going to be able to play the 7. No, we can't, because we want to bring the 6 down. So 6 of spades right here. There's the queen. Now we can play the 4, I believe. Nope, we don't want to do that. That's a tough one. I'd like to play this jack here. I think we can get to it. We're going to have to try another way. Otherwise, I'll have to backtrack. You got to be careful in how you manipulate this draw pile, as if you've seen in other games. And the reason for that is if you don't do it right, you can cost yourself some moves. So we'll see how this goes. So that's how we're looking right now. Let's see what cards we can put up here. So we're going to put as many cards up to the foundation pile as we can. And we'll see if we can work some more cards out. So 6, 7, and I think we have to go spades in this case. So we're going to swap these. Actually, we can just put the 7 of hearts up here. Play the spade, 8 of hearts, 9 of spades. And now we can bring this 9 down, I think. We'll bring the king over here. We can move this 9 here. And we're going to get this solved, I believe, yeah. So, oh boy, we got to get the 10 of clubs. Okay, let's see here. You see, having a brain freeze real quick here. So we play the 10 of diamonds up here. And then I feel like we're missing a move. No, we're not. We're not going to give up here. Not going to give up at this point. Let's go back a little bit more here. Back it up a little bit. All right. We're going to leave the 9 of hearts right there. This is a move that you miss. You got to be careful with the draw pile here. So if you see there's 2 10s right here, this 10 is going to go here. This 10 goes here. 7 goes here. And we will have the game solved in just a minute here. So there's 2 jacks right here. We're going to swap the 10 of hearts over to here. Jack of spades there, and we have it solved. Hopefully it made sense in an explanation there, but yeah, we got it done. Hopefully I was able to teach you a trick or two. And again, if you like this sort of thing, there's a playlist on this channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire with games just like today's. Some a little harder, some a little more challenging. And there's also a playlist with tips on how to get better. It's called Solitaire Tips. You might want to check that out. The best 2 videos, in my opinion, are these 2 right here. There's like quite a few videos on the Solitaire Tips list, but in my opinion, go for these 2. We've got all kinds of information that will help you get better. Anyway, that's going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and good